What, you want me to stop? Nigga, I can't stop. I don't stop and I won't stop. I'm hip hop. I live to the beat of true rhythm, and with the energy that's given, I write rhymes and riddles. In these little parallel blue lines, I free my mind. I'm an instrument playing nothing, only my life's beat, which is footwork steps on smooth concrete. And where thugs and aerosol cans meet, our pieces on the wall give us a peace of mind, while they think it's a piece of crime. Our highlights shine bright so you can read them in the darkest night. From the skyline, you read the word tradition. I stay strong to my four elements, they are my Teo, my way, which is no way, not this way or that way, just way. Didn't start with me, it's been going on since back in the day when Kool Herc said come outside and play. From Run DMC and Jay to Rakim to Nas to Jay passing away due to some gun rage. See, hip-hop ain't dead, it's just asleep dreaming a fancy fantasy. Crack selling, chain blinging, women hoeing, staying open, hoping for something from the man but get nothing from it. Only material and they love it, so I does one bump it. The OGs told me hip-hop lost its true meaning since Houdini. When hip-hop went showbiz, that's when people think it got noticed, but I say it got unfocused and my people hopeless. While the radio poisons the universe, the media programs the mind with TRL Live. This Park 106 don't know shit about what true hip-hop gives. It gives breath to breathe life. From the name that I write to the songs that I write, to the burns I hit swift, to the songs that I mix, I breathe life. With my wisdom I dance circles around these toys. Wanna be B-boys, breakdancing source moves while I crush groove. Came not to win but schooled the unschooled who think hip-hop's just something cool that you do, when it's something you live. And that's why it can't stop and it won't stop, and I don't stop, cause I'm hip-hop. Cause we hip-hop, we gotta save it, cause it's dying, y'all. We life flows, so let's go.